warm-up plane, pretty chill. Winds coming from left to right. That's trimmed out nicely. Pretty windy again today, 15 mile an hour I believe. See it bouncing around. Full throttle. 3S. I think it's a 2200 battery. Your barrel roll. That wind picked it up. Let's try and do a Cuban right there. It is being thrashed. Yeah, just being thrashed heavily. Try that again this way. Try that barrel roll again. Gorgeous day. Full throttle the whole way. Try a loop. Below the deck. Fighting the wind. Hard bank. Let's try a practice glide in. Cutting 40%, thrashing, getting our airspeed back up, air and ground speed. There it is. It's a floater. Let's do one more quick pass in front of us. Snap roll. Another snap roll. Fighting that wind, probably could use a little CG forward. That's spot on. Now wind is coming straight at me. 1 minute on the timer. Let's come at us. Let's do an Edelman roll. Pull. Cuban. float it by. Timer's out, but we'll float it by. Super chill plane. Let's do a hammerhead. Not enough wind, not enough airspeed. Alright, take it down, bring it in. It's been 5 minutes. A little carrier brake. Get over that ridge. Take it.